Ooh. Let's see what we got. Sneakertopia has crazy heat. Oh, wow. See me? It keeps going. Sneakers that are going to be at Sneakertopia. They have some heat. That's what I keep hearing. First and foremost, I mean, you just look in the door. Look at these. Have you ever seen these before? Like, sheesh, look at the quality.
Hell yeah, I'm like, bro.
Does that suede come up?
Yeah. Well, check these out.
Oh yeah. Been trying to get these, but that price is just something crazy. What you think about these? Did you wear these?
That's a little too much for me.
Yeah. Easy one. Yeah, these are tough. Especially a dead stock pair. And then we got, what else? Macklemore's. Just, you notice how the samples just have that crazy suede? Jordan Brand, can I make one of these? Can we embroider something on the back, please? I don't even know what to do with myself.
Here you go.
Oh yeah. Links. So what y'all wearing tomorrow? What's the fit looking like? The sneakers, you decided yet?
I haven't decided.
Yeah. Game time decision.
Yeah.
Game time decision.
That was the hard thing for me. I'm like, I gotta pack something because.
Yeah. What sneakers you thinking about?
I'm gonna wear the Solar Easy 2s.
Oh, facts.
Keep it
facts.
simple. I'm murdered out.
Yeah, them Jones clean. Oh yeah, I'm all black too.
Yeah. See, that's what it is. Like
All black.
all black, murdered out. You ain't even gotta think about it. You know what?
Kicks.
Yeah. Fours galore.
A lot of fours.
I kind of feel like every artist or collaboration, like they must be digging the fours, right? Eminem's.
So bad.
You got the Encore on the back.
These just clean.
Yeah.
She pulling up in.
Yep.
Crazy.
So, I don't know. There's so much going on here.
Have you seen the space yet?
The what?
The space across the street? You haven't been to the museum yet?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, the space. I
Yeah.
thought you said spaceship. I was like, oh, shoot, there's something else? Like, all right. Undefeated.
Crazy. We could just fix this. Oh, this shit.
You got the Velcro. I ain't gonna mess with this. $30,000 shoe. Just you can look, but you can't touch it.
These brown boxes.
What do you think about these? I could see you wearing these.
No.
Nah?
I mean, still, I like the other.
Oh, the red?
Yeah,
Or no,
Olives,
green.
Yeah.
Wahlbergs.
That olive, for whatever reason, I'm not really a fan.
I feel like you just, maybe it's because you hunt. I don't know.
Maybe,
Just
I don't know.
the orange and the olive, you know?
Yeah. No.
And then we got the sculptures. I saw these on Instagram. You guys know the stories behind these sculptures?
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. Do you know anything about the sculptures?
We believe there is a real shoe on the inside of it.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the artist said.
That's what
We got 8 of those.
All
They're all
different.
in these boxes.
Wow.
So we got Shaq's, Air Force Ones, Kobe's.
Can you pick it up? Or no?
Can I pick it up?
Pick it up.
Yeah.
These two.
Oh my goodness.
So many people
I have not seen these, yeah.
Not too many people have those in the closet.
He killed these.
Yeah, you killed those.
This was a sad L for me.
Did you win on the Travis Scott's?
Yeah.
I'm salty about
I've hit on 3 Travis Scotts on the sneakers app. I don't know how.
Ooh, 3.
Yeah.
Lucky man.
I honestly think like
I've
if
never won on the sneakers app.
For real?
Never.
I've won so much off the sneakers app. People think I got like a bot or something. Nah. I think it's if you buy stuff religiously on the app. There's like an algorithm to it. I think.
Yeah. I could see that.
Yeah.
I could see that.
Just want to get your impression of how heavy that is.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy. It's kind of scary heavy. That's crazy.
Yeah, let me get the light here. There you go. Can you turn it a little bit?
Which way? See how it
You're
goes.
blocking the light.
Oh,
There you go.
sparkle. Sheesh. You see the air mag over here?
Mm-mm.
It's a whole air mag one.
Oh, jeez, hiding.
Yeah. Ronin? This ain't even half of it, huh? It's just a little sneak peek, guys.
Like these joints,
Yeah.
crazy quality on those.
That embroidery. See the embroidery on the insole? I don't know if you can catch it. Turn it to 1.4.
Here, turn it towards the light.
The Project Blitz come over there yet?
There we go.
Is Dre gonna be here tomorrow?
Well, for Project Blitz?
Yeah.
He's supposed to be coming in like 20 minutes.
Oh
Yeah.
shoot, I should text Dre. You haven't seen Dre in a while, huh?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, stick around.
Yeah, we gotta say what's up to Dre.
I think I'm the Air Max.
Got your first pair of forces today. What you thinking?
Yeah, I'm excited to wear them tomorrow.
There's just so much going on. Organs.
So if nobody knows that a shoe is missing, what shoe you taking?
Probably won't increase, bro. I mean, after, you know, not fast as regular after this one.
Seriously?
These. Yes, sir.
What are they called?
The M&M.
Oh.
M&M 4.
Here, spin those around for me. I want to get a good shot of them.
Which one?
Those are the ones Nathan's really wants.
M&M's?
Yeah.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
The hardcore.
Yeah.
Nathan put me on M&M.
Right. Nice.
Yeah, so you got the M&M inside. I don't really want to bend it. And then you got the Encore. Back.
I'm gonna organize all this shit
Got it.
tonight, bro. Cause I ain't gonna be here when they come and get it.
Should probably get a thumbnail.
Yeah.
Hit me up and like, hey, you want to host the Sneakertopia? I'm like, oh, for sure.
The Blinks, the Yeezy ones.
So guys, I mean, these are just unobtainable samples. I mean, clearly, like, these are ridiculous. What would you take out of these samples if you had to choose one?
I mean, it's what I've seen so far. The Wahlberg.
Yeah?
Sure, yeah. I think that's just so cool. Like, you don't ever see that.
No, that green is. What I like about it is the suede, you know?
Alright, can I get that? Oh yeah, there it is.
You got new prints? What artist?
It cost me $60 and I wear it every day. It's so comfortable. And if I can just keep it clean all the time.
What's your favorite press though? Outside of right now?
I like the essential all white.
Oh yeah.
It's like the silky kind of.
Yeah. I'm big on it. I like the safaris.
Okay, yeah.
The ones that's like
Yeah. So I think about the acronym custom.
oh yeah, I got both of those.
What color did you get?
I got the two original, the olive.
Oh,
and the,
right.
I got the yellow one. The yellow one.
I
don't really like them that much.
Nah,
I feel like I can't wear them with enough stuff.
They're really hard to
Yeah, it's hard to figure out.
I wear them with like pants like that.
Yeah.
I was gonna wear my like racer
I
pants.
got the swish swish.
Oh yeah.
You could have just said bag. It's one word.
Swish swish
The
pants.
swish swish pants. Swish swish.
Swish swish pants.
Refreshing. I got red eye.
No,
Really?
I don't think so.
Well, guys, this has been a very long day. Got a lot done though.
Right? Productive.
We didn't end yesterday's
There's some
vlog.
red eye.
Oh. Better?
Yeah.
We're calling it a night.
Uber number.
12. 12 Ubers. Probably
Alright.
like
You got a good sign off?
run it.
No, you can't use that one.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great night. Hit the thumbs up.